You might have heard most of the people fear public speaking more than death. I too was a terrified public speaker. I remember when I had to give a presentation to my client, I was getting really nervous. Trust me, friends, my hands were shivering, my legs were shivering, and from top to bottom there was sort of electric shock which was going. A lot of vibrations in the heart. The heartbeat was pumping much faster than as usual, and my throat was dry. Does this happen with you people? Why? The question is why? Why do we afraid of public speaking? Why do we fear of public speaking? So first and the foremost, the mindset. It is here, okay? The moment any fear goes in our mind, it resides in that, and it's take the control of your entire body, entire mind, entire content, and your confidence goes down. So ladies and gentlemen, in order to excel in your public speaking, you have to change your mindset. Fix your mindset and go towards your success. Second, public speaking is not only for the public speaker. Public speaking is a learnable skill which I was not knowing before. I was just thinking the people are born with these qualities. But my dear friends, I am using this word very carefully. Only babies are born. Rest, everybody learns the things here only. Okay? Second part which I am going to share today is, let's say, imagine for a moment somebody asked you to prepare some Shahi Paneer. Would you be able to make that Shahi Paneer like as restaurant? Answer is no, because you don't know the process of making the Shahi Paneer. Similarly, if somebody asks you to stand in front of the audience and speak, or stand in front of your friends and speak. So what is public speaking? See, public speaking is, there are two fundamentals to understand in the public speaking. Public speaking is basically when you speak one-on-one, that conversation is happening. Okay? This is also public speaking. Second, one in many, you take a charge. You take the authority of that group and you keep yourself stand alone and speak. You are the king and queen of that group. Right? Third, one more thing I wanted to add here. Like when you start speaking to anybody, so second most fear comes, my content is not good. I don't know what to speak. My English is not good. People will make a laugh at me. Does this not happen with you? This all is a problem of our mindset. See, language is just a vehicle to transmute your ideas, infuse your ideas to your audience. Okay? You can speak in any language, whatever the language you are comfortable and confident in. You can start learning and